Crate Bell's in front of me.
Yep, another package came. Where'd the dog go?
He ran.
Oreo! Are you ready to go walking? Come on so you can go for your walk. Come on. He like, is he thirsty? I think he's thirsty, Shay. Let him drink some. Alright, but give me the package.
Here you go.
Got another package. Hey, you doing? Hey, you go get you something to drink. Go drink your water.
Come on, Aya.
Go drink your water.
Come on.
Go drink your water so you can get ready for your walk. It's a little chilly out there, so we're going to have to eventually put a jacket on him.
Yeah.
But this is a package that came from Crate and Barrel, so let me unbox it and let me see. Yeah, Crate and Barrel. I think this ain't nothing but the glasses. Why is you right here with the phone? Alright, let me come back. Don't fall on me now, camera. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this. I had showed earlier that it had came, but I never unboxed it, so. And this is from Crate and Barrel, like I had said earlier. Let's see what we got. Yes. This is a little whiskey glass. You're gonna be drinking all, looking all sophisticated. So here's one. And here's two. So like I said, yeah, these came from Crate and Barrel, and this is the little cups, the little whiskey glasses. They look so small in person, but this is what he wants, so that is it. Really, Bryson? That's more like a bloopers. But good morning. This is, of course, like we just said, Thanksgiving Eve. I am actually going to go ahead and prep my pies. We are going to do 2 sweet potato pies. Really, Bryson? What are you doing?
I'm just baking.
I already got my pie crust. I'm going to set them to the side so I can go and get everything else going, because I'm going to get all my dry ingredients going. Really, Bryson?
I disappeared.
I don't know what this one is doing. He is currently just here. But let me go ahead and pull my recipe up so we can go ahead and get everything done.
Yeah.
Really, Bryson?
What? What?
Really, Bryson?
What? What?
That's to the ball. Sweet potato pie. Pie made out of sweet potato.
What is that?
go ahead and get this cake going. Pre-done for $3.25. And we are making a cream cheese pound cake, by the way. Of everything, we got honey ham, brown sugar glazed ham, we got stuffing, macaroni, gravy, collard greens, turkey breast, cornbread, and yams, sweet potato pie, and pound cake, cream cheese pound cake. Cream cheese pound cake, and there's Bryson. Stop spinning it. Okay. And there's Brandon. There's Shayla.
Oh Lord, that got me looking bright.
Bryson, why you look like that? Alright, well, I got to get ready. I'm just going to film a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and eat dinner, and that will be it.
Bye.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
So much. Why are you jumping so much?
Bye.
Thanksgiving.
Bye.
Because of my cranberry sauce.
I love cranberry sauce. Some folks don't like cranberry sauce.
I hate it.
That one already finished his food. That one is somewhat done with his food. And this one just gone. I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating this, and then I'll come back. Okay. Okay, all right, we are done eating, and we're actually gonna go to a neighbor's house. I need to go put some earrings on because I don't have no earrings on. So we're gonna actually go down here to a neighbor's house. They had invited us to come down there. Like I said, this is our first Thanksgiving up here in Texas. So we're gonna go down there. Maybe Christmas or next year we'll do something different. But this year, I wanted to cook in my own kitchen. Didn't really invite anybody over because I still ain't got my house together like I want to. But maybe next year, go home, see the family or whatever. But I am wearing a Sailor Moon sweatshirt, some black leggings, if y'all can see, maybe you can see a little bit, and just this oversized sweater because it's kind of cool. You know, it's rarely cool up in Houston, but it is cool. So I'm gonna put my Uggs on. Cause any excuse wear some Uggs, right? So I'm gonna go ahead. Ooh, Lord, if I don't fall, I hurt myself. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and we're finna get ready to go. Jaden upstairs. Let me go ahead and go throw some earrings on, then let's get ready to go. And then I'll come back after I put some earrings on, because I look dry. So that's it. Just throw this on. Like I said, just throw this on, and we're about to go down here, and then that'll be it for Thanksgiving. Really, y'all too? Chill out. All right, I am about to put the Christmas lights on the game room tree. What you doing, Jaden?
Something.
Here's Jaden.
Oh.
You gonna call yourself helping me, but I'm gonna put the lights on, then I'm gonna let them do the decoration to the tree themselves. What you doing, Bryson? What is that on your teeth? Pepper? But let me go ahead and put the lights on the tree, and then I'll come back to you. Well,
No.
y'all are just...
Hey.
Why you looking like that? You want them to see you? But yeah, this is just gonna be the decoration part of the game room tree. I gotta first fluff it out because it looks a little ugly. Move back.